Twice a number, I'll call it number x. So twice x is added to 5 times another number. I'll call that number y. So it's 5y. And you're told it equals 29. The difference between the two numbers is 4. So x take away y equals 4. Now, I'm going to make the x's the same, so there's no change in that one, and I'll times that one by 2. 2x add 5y equals 29, times in this one by 2. Now, I want to eliminate the x's, they're the same sign, so I subtract them. 2x minus 2x is gone. 5y minus minus comes plus, 5y plus 2y is 7y. 29 take away 8 is 21, so y equals 3. Put that back into one of the original equations to get the other one. So x minus 3 equals 4, so x equals 7. So your numbers are 3 and 7. Next one I'm going to look at, number 2. 6 adults and 3 children. So 6 adults and 3 children pay a total of 141 for a train journey. 1 adult and 2 children pay 41.50. Find the cost per adult and child. I can make them both 6 by timesing by 2 and times that by 3, or I can make them both 6, just timesing that one by 6. I'll do that one. So 6a plus 3c equals 141, times this one by 6. 6a plus 12c equals 41.5 times 6, which is 249. Draw your line, subtract, because you're trying to eliminate those 6a's. 6a minus 6a is gone. 3c minus 12c is minus 9. 141 minus 249 is minus 108. So c equals 12. 108 divided by 9, which is 12. To work out the adult's cost, stick that into one of those equations. It doesn't matter which one. So a plus 2 12s, 2 children, 2 12s is 24, equals 41.50. So the adult is 41.50 minus 24, giving me an answer of 17.50. And because it's money, make sure you give it to 2 decimal places. Now, another one. The ages of a man, so we'll call it M for man, and his son, equals 44. In 23 years' time, the man, so in 23 years' time, the man will be his age plus 23. He'll be twice as old as his son, so it'll be 2 times his son's age, but his son's going to be his age plus 23. Now, let's tidying this up a little bit. The first equation is m plus s equals 44. The bottom equation is m, and I'm going to put all the letters on one side and numbers on the other side to make it look neat. So m, that is 2s, if I bring that over, it's minus 2s. And I have got 2 times that, which is 46. Take away that 23, which gives me back to 23. The m's are the same sign. If I subtract them, they'll eliminate. M minus m's gone. S plus 2s is 3s. 44 minus that is 9. So the son's age is 3. To work out the man's age, just put it into one of the equations. So man plus the son equals 44. So the man is 41. Number 4, the average of 2 numbers. Now to find the average of 2 numbers, you add them together and divide by 2. You're told that equals 33. I would tidy that up first, bring that 2 over and multiplying. So x plus y equals 66. Twice their difference, so that's their difference, double it, equals 36. What I would do is I bring that 2 across and divide, just to try to keep it a bit simpler. I'm going to eliminate the x's, same signs, so I subtract them. X minus x is gone. Y minus minus becomes plus. Y plus y is 2y. 66 minus 18 is 48. Divided by 2 is 24. Put that into any of the original equations, doesn't really matter. Put it into this one here. So x plus y equals 66. So x equals 66, take away 24, which is 42. Number 5. This is a bit of a mess, this question. Letters and numbers are all jumbled up everywhere. So that's the first thing I'm going to sort out. I'm going to put letters on one side and numbers on the other. So minus 5a plus 3b equals minus 3. 3a minus 2b equals 1. Now if I make the a's the same, they both become 15. If I make the b's the same, they both become 6. So I'll make the b's the same, just because it's a smaller number. I'll times this one by 2, and I'll times this one by 3. I'm just going to write them down here a bit more space. So double that one. Minus 10a plus 6b equals minus 6. And timesing this one by 3. 3a minus 6b equals 3. The b's are the same. They've got different signs in front of them. Because I'm trying to eliminate them, I will add them. Minus 10a plus 9a is minus 1a. 6b minus 6b is gone. Minus 6 add 3 is minus 6. So a equals 3. Substitute that into one of the earlier equations to find b. I'll put it into this one here. So it's 3a. 3 times 3 is 9 equals 1 plus 2b. So 9 equals 1 plus 2b. So we linear equation. 8 equals 2b. So b equals 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And for the last one here that I'm going to be doing of these type, sorry, I've got some more of the page. We'll have a look at this one here first. Letters one side, numbers the other. So I'll bring that x over, so it's minus x positive y equals minus 4. The y's are the same sign, subtract. 5x plus x is 6x, y minus y is gone. 8 plus 4 is 12, so x equals 2. Substitute that into any of the initial equations. I'll go for this one here. So y equals 2, take away 4, minus 2. Okay, looking at this one here, I would choose to make the x's the same. That one is fine. And this one, I'm going to double it. So it's 4x minus 6y equals 40. The signs are the same, so I subtract. Y minus minus comes plus. Y plus 6y is 7y. 5 take away 40 is minus 35. Divide by 7 gives you minus 5. Put that into one of the original ones. It doesn't matter which one. Go for the first one. So it's 4x, add y. So add minus 5, it becomes minus 5. Bring that across and add it on. So 4x equals 10, so x equals 2.5. Basically, you make the linear equation x equals or y equals and sub into the quadratic equation to solve. Don't forget to sub your answer or your answers back into the original linear equation to find the other letter. You really need to see an example of that to see how it works. First of all, a linear is no x squared or y squared. That's your linear and that's your quadratic. It says make the linear equation x equals or y equals. Well, my linear equation already is y equals. So you take that y and you pop it in to the quadratic. So my quadratic equation becomes 2x minus 1 instead of the y equals 4 minus x squared. For a quadratic, everything goes on one side. So bring that across, x squared plus 2x minus 1 take away 4 is minus 5. Now, probably is best just using the quadratic formula in here. A is 1, B is 2, and C is minus 5. So x equals minus b plus minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x is minus b minus 2 plus minus the square root of b squared, 2 squared, minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Now, sorting this out is x equals minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 20 over 2. So you've got x equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 24 over 2. And just reach for your calculator at this stage and put those numbers in. So it's minus 2 plus the square root of 24 equals, divided by 2 equals, so your first answer is 1.45, and your second answer, minus 2, take away the square root of 24 equals, divided by 2 equals minus 3.45. Now to get the other answer, put your two answers back into your original equation. So y equals 2x minus 1. So over here, x equals 2 times 1.45, take away 1, giving you 1.9. Sorry, y equals 1.9. And for this here answer, y equals 2 times minus 3.45, take away 1, minus 7.9. The last example I'm going to do here is a very difficult one. Write this either as y equals or x equals. Now if I make it as y equals, I have to divide by 2. If I make it as x equals, I have to divide everything by 3. Now dividing by 2 is slightly easier, so I'll do that. So I'll take it in stages first of all. 2y is 3 minus 3x. So to get y, divide everything by 2. There you go, that's your y. So it's 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2x. Take that y and put it in there. So you've got x squared plus 2. Instead of putting in y, you put in 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2x squared equals 11. Now, to square out a bracket, just write it side by side and multiply it out. So it's x squared plus 2. 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 is 9 over 4 minus 9 over 4x times these 2 minus 9 over 4x and times these 2 plus 9 over 4x squared. Tidy up that bracket. X squared plus 2, 9 over 4 minus 9 over 4, take away our 9 over 4 is minus 18 over 4, which is minus 9 over 2x, plus 9 over 4x squared equals 11. Multiply the bracket by 2, so you get x squared plus that's 18 over 4, or 9 over 2. That becomes 18 over 2, or just 9. And that's 9 over 2 x squared. I would multiply everything by 2 to go to the fraction. So it's 2x squared plus 9 minus 18x plus 9x squared equals 22. Tidy it up as a quadratic now. 2x squared and 9x squared is 11x squared minus 18x and 9. Bring that over and take it away. So 9 take away 22 gives me minus 13 equals 0. Just use a quadratic formula again. A is 11, B is minus 18, C is minus 13. So x equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So it's minus 18 is 18, minus 18 squared is 324, minus 4 times a is 11, times c is minus 13. All over 2 times a is 22. So it's 18 plus or minus the square root of 324. 4 times 11 times 13. And 2 minus gives you a plus 572 over 22. So it's 18 plus or minus 324, add 572. The square root of 896 over 22. So 18 plus the square root of 896 equals, divided by 22, gives you an answer of 2.18. And the other one, 18 minus the square root of 896 equals, divided by 22, equals minus 0.54. You've worked out the x. Don't forget to sub it in to find the y. So there's your y equals at the very top there. So y equals, I'll just write 1.5 here, 1.5 minus 1.5x. So you've got two different values for x. X is 2.18 and x is minus 0.54. So putting it in here for 2.18, so I have 1.5 times 2.18 equals, then it's 1.5 minus that answer, gives me an answer of minus 1.77. And over here, 1.5 times minus 0.54 gives me minus 0.81. So it's 1.5 minus that answer gives me 2.2.